Hi everyone, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you guys that have stayed with this channel, especially for you guys that have stayed with me throughout the crypto mining and the crypto trading journey. But the news I have for you guys today is that no more trading crypto or mining crypto. And one of the main reasons I believe you guys know is the downfall in the crypto market. We have seen a lot of people lose money. I have some friends personally, they lose about 6 figures within the crypto platform, the ones that closed down. I also lost some money, but cutting the story short, I stopped trading crypto, and as you guys can see here, my miners, my MT Pro miner, the one most of you guys know me for, I already buried it down. I don't mine it anymore because at some point it start to make nothing. And for the board, you guys can see here, I already keep it somewhere. So I'm no more mining crypto or even investing in most of these projects. So since I have some basic knowledge in trading and all, so I decided to go into Forex and just branch into it since it's much easier from there. So with Forex trading, I thought it's going to be very easy with my basic knowledge in trading crypto, but I discovered later that the industry is very well more complicated and way more grand than crypto, which is more better in its own way. And one of the things is that when I start trading Forex, I start to make some few money, and I start to feel I can do it and also kill it like I was doing with the crypto. But things were a bit different because I'm dealing with different markets and different economy, which I'm not very familiar with. So at some point I was making money, but when it gets to some point, I start to become very arrogant with my trade and I start to lose money. And it reached some stage that the losses was very unbearable for me, so I decided that I think I need help. So I found a mentor not far from me, which is just about 10 minutes drive. Lucky for me, the trader was very good, so he was able to mentor me. So every morning around 10 a.m. I just go to the class. So I attend the class for like 2 hours for about 4 months. So during this 4 months, I just start learning and crafting and backtesting the strategy the mentor is teaching me, because it was a one-on-one mentorship. So I paid for it, it wasn't free. So during these 4 months, I started backtesting and started learning a strategy, and not just one, different strategy that I can use to make money from the market. And thankfully now I can say I have recovered all my losses, and now I can start to make about 5 to 10k per month. If you guys don't believe me, I decided to share a screenshot here for you guys so that you can see my withdrawal so far and how much I have made so far from saving from my Forex trading earnings. So for you guys, you might be wondering, why am I making this video? Specifically, I feel throughout my journey for about a year now in Forex, I can say throughout the journey it was quite hard because there's a lot of scam in Forex trading, and I discovered that there's a lot of people that need help. And one thing really struck me yesterday was that I was going in the mall with my wife, and suddenly a guy come and meet me and touch me that I know you. Then I was like, oh, I don't know you. Then he say, oh, I know you from your Instagram, you might not know me, this or that. Then he was very thankful for some of the videos I share on my Instagram, which wasn't a lot, and that was very touching for me because I feel I'm the kind of person that can come and share knowledge with people and really help people and help people personally, not just financially, especially with skill that can better their life, which is something that really touched me, that I feel it seems like it's time for me to get back to my YouTube and be able to share free content with you guys, and that can help you guys with your trading, with your life, and everything else. I can at least impact you in a positive way. So this is one of the reasons I decided to come back to this channel and start to create content for you guys every day, if not possible at least 3 to 4 videos a week for you guys. And I hope you guys can stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, so I can reach out to more people and be able to help as many people as I can. So in this channel, I plan to share my trades, my strategy, my risk management, everything I have learned so far within this 1 year of trading, things that I've learned from my mentor that might help you also in your trade and make you become a better trader. And if you feel this is something that you are interested in, please like this video and subscribe so I can reach to more people, and you can stay tuned for my next video. And if you would like to reach out to me directly, follow me on Instagram at ezejolofs. And if you have a suggestion on what kind of videos you need help with or you would like me to make a video about, please just put the comments below and I'll make a video for you guys. So this is it for this video. I hope that was very clean and clear, and you guys can get on a new journey with me so far with this Forex journey, and I can truly help and impact as many of you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing, and like this video, and see you in the next video.